to my channel. Today I'll be making a salmon pie with puff pastry. So let's begin. So in a pan I'm going to be adding some olive oil, some onions, a teaspoon of garlic paste. I'm just going to mix that in. So once that's nicely mixed in, I'm just going to add my salmon and cook that through. Just going to add a sprinkle of salt and some pepper. So I'm keeping this on a medium to a low heat. The salmon does cook quite quickly. I'm now going to add my vegetables. I'm going to now cook this for another 5 minutes and then I'm going to take it off. I'm going to now turn this off and I'm going to add a white sauce which I have shop bought, which is a ready-made white sauce. I'm just going to mix that in. So I'm just mixing in the white sauce. This is now mixed in, and now I'm going to get my pastry ready in half. So I'm going to now roll it out. Pastry at the bottom of the dish, and now I've just added the filling, which I'm just going to just cover up. Now I'm going to add the top layer of pastry. So the layer is now on. So I'm just going to push this just to cover the edges like this. Now I'm going to poke a few holes with a fork. Now I've just cut out a couple of leaves with the pastry, so I'm just going to stick those on like so. So I'm going to pop this in the oven on a gas mark 5 for 35 to 45 minutes. So my pie is now ready and out of the oven. Now I'm just going to plate it up. So my salmon and vegetable pie is now ready, made with puff pastry. Hope you guys give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.